how to find your Apple Watch using your iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Apple Watch using your iPhone. If you misplaced your Apple Watch or can't find around your house, don't worry, let's dive into how you can use your iPhone to locate it. First, make sure that your Apple Watch and iPhone are paired and connected. This method only works if your Apple Watch is within Bluetooth range of your iPhone or if it's connected to Wi-Fi. Now let's open Find My app on the iPhone. This app is built into all iPhones, so you don't need to download anything extra. Just swipe down on the home screen and type Find My into the search bar. Once the Find My is open, simply tap on your devices and you'll see a list of all your devices including your Apple Watch. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom, select your Apple Watch. If your Apple Watch is nearby, you can tap on Play Sound. This will cause your Apple Watch to play a loud ping, making it easier to locate if it's hiding somewhere nearby, like under a pillow or in another room. If your Apple Watch is farther away or offline, the Find My app will show you the last known location on a map. This is usual if you left it somewhere like at a friend's house or in a cafe. And if you can't find your Apple Watch right away, you can enable lost mode. This will lock your Apple Watch and display a custom message on the screen with your contact information in case someone finds it.